Hey everybody, how are you? Believe it or not, I'm here with another Happy Mail. And I don't use names if I haven't asked permission, but I do want to show this because I thought this was just extremely generous of this sweet person. She is such a doll and a character as well. So, she started out, and she knows I like to do the faux food. Look at these little ice cream. And this, I think she said was, I can't remember where she said she got this, to be honest. But they're little, I think they're supposed to be dishes, but they look like ice cream cones. And you could really do some cute faux ice cream with these. So she sent me 2 of those. I think they're so cute. I'm going to turn on my ring light. It's early, and well, not early, it's 10, but it's cloudy. Let's see if you can see better. Hope so. So, 2 of those. Aren't those cute? And then I could not find any of these plaques at all at the Dollar Trees that I went to. Nothing. Like I told you before, I think in Southern California, I don't know if they're getting the same distribution as other areas, but whatever it is, I mean, I wish they'd get on the stick. And if they're going to give things out, and they know people do hauls, and I'm sure they know people do hauls, when you can't get anything like this in your state or your area of your state, it gets really maddening if you're a DIYer or a crafter. So I'm very, very happy that she did this. Isn't that adorable? Look at that truck with all those little birds. I think that is so cute. She was more than generous, I'll tell you. And then look at this one. You guys, I had nothing like this at all. Nothing. Not in the ones I went into or when I went into them. Isn't that cute? And then what I couldn't find is she sent me 2 of these bunnies. Aren't those adorable? And those I'm going to use for DIYs, but I don't think I'm going to use them for bunnies. Well, yeah, one of them will be. You'll see. And then these I fell in love with. And again, nowhere to be found when I was looking. Don't know if they're there now. These cutting boards. This one I'm going to leave exactly like it is because I'm going to use it in my spring and Easter decor. And I'll use this, you know, every year. Isn't that cute? Fresh carrots locally grown, 25 cents each. Cottontail Farms, 100% organic. And then this one, Cottontail and Company Egg Farm, Hippity Hoppity Lane, 1 mile ahead, egg hunts daily. Isn't that cute? And it has the little metal nails like they use in upholstery. Both of them do. I may alter this one, but the carrots I'm not going to for sure. And then, look, you see all these trucks. And she had a sweet little card to go with it. But look at these trucks. Now this one you can leave out because in my formal dining room and living room, as you know, my colors, my normal colors are lavenders with whites and creams and greens. But I think I will alter some of this. And then look at this one for summer with the watermelon. Isn't that so cute? Just love it. And then here's another one, and this is in pink. And then look at this, you guys. And see, and I decorate with the strawberries and watermelons and stuff in the summertime. This is going to be adorable. I just think it is so cute. And then she sent me this, and I am going to be excited. You put this on when you do your nails, and you put the nail polish on. I've seen them before, but I never saw them at my store. But this is going to be so handy. I just love that. And then the candy, I have not seen the candy brand, the hard candy. And this is a primer. Isn't that sweet? I mean, look at this stuff, you guys. I mean, this is just crazy. And just from a person that knew that, you know, I couldn't find these things, and to be so generous as to give all this, thank you so much, sweetie. I appreciate it so much. And like I said, I didn't get permission, and I will not use a name when I don't have permission. But I want to thank you, and I wanted to get this up because I am going to use some of this in my home tour. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world is a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.